This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a 2010 Prius that has a check engine light. I'm going to try to figure out what it is. So we're going to use a little scan tool, and this is what the check engine light looks like, the one on the far right. And usually means something's going on with the engine or the pollution control system. So we're going to put our code scanner into the modular connector that's located underneath the steering wheel and a little bit to the left. So just plug it in and then go ahead and turn on the engine by pressing your brake and then the start button, and then just wait a couple seconds and it'll give you a code. It'll say ready, and the code here is the P0101, and then I'm just checking to see if there's any other codes by pressing the other button, but it's just showing the one, the P0101, and then I'll press the red button and that's going to clear the code out of the computer. It asks you if you want to erase it. I say yes, and now that's no longer going to show up on the dash. But I do have to figure out why that code became active. So that P0101 refers to the map airflow sensor, and that shows right here the symptoms that you may experience and possible causes that may give you the P101, and also some steps you can take. So it could be caused by a dirty air filter. It could also be caused just by a dirty map sensor, and they're pretty easy to clean. So we're going to go ahead and just open up the air filter canister and just see if we can get that air filter clean. Also, replacing the air filter will probably do the job. So I pop the hood. You can also get a can of map airflow sensor cleaner that will help you clean it. But they just get dirty after a while, and it can cause some symptoms like a poor idle, bad gas mileage, rough running of the engine. So to get to it, you can just take up these clips, take up the air filter canister, and we're going to pull the air filter out, and you can just shake this to get rid of a lot of the dirt. If you still don't get a good result, if you get that check engine light again, you may want to replace the air filter. And also you can remove this panel I'm holding with my left hand, and then you can squirt the map airflow sensor cleaner in, and that'll probably do the job. It's very unlikely you would need a new map airflow sensor. And that's where it's located, right there. So pretty easy repair, pretty common, and it'll make your car run better if you can get the air filter clean and get the sensor clean. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe when you get a chance.